Okay, this time we are going to learn about the blending color. It also means mix color. So you have to use two color to mix, right? So you have to choose two pencil crayon, two pencil color you like. Okay, so I'm going to choose the green and blue. Okay, so you also can choose the other two color you really like. Okay, you don't have to do the same thing. You just practice the skill with me. Okay, so first, before we blend in the color, we have to do the color value. So we have to do dark, medium, light for each color. Okay, so like this, dark, medium, and light. Same for the other color, but we have to do it upside down. Okay, so mirror it. So we start from dark, medium, light, from left to right. And this time I'm going to dark to light from right to left. So dark, medium, and light. Okay, now we have to join the color together. And the middle part, the light part, they are going to overlap to each other. Look how I'm doing it. So I start from one color, dark, medium, and light. Okay, I make sure the color looks smooth. Okay, then the other color, dark, from the other side, medium, and light. See, I overlap my first color and mixing them. So this part, the middle part, they are joined and mixed together. Okay, so that's the final result, how they looks like at the end. Okay, so dark, medium, and light, and stop. So leave here white because I'm going to color with the blue. Okay, so I'm start from here, dark, medium, and overlap the green color and mix them with light blue and stop. Okay, so that's the final result it should looks like. And mixing the color at the middle, but both sides, they have their own color. So green is green, blue is blue, only mix the color at the middle. Okay, so that issue looks like on your joint.